Meet the VMX650, the ultimate 5-axis beast. Built by machinists for machinists. Built for America. We didn't build this for easy jobs. We built it for the most demanding industries on Earth. Medical, aerospace, space, defense, agriculture, construction, mining. Jobs where microns matter and failure is not an option. Plus or minus 3 micron machine accuracy, locked in tight, tested and proven. Everybody claims it, very few prove it. Traveling column design, no flex, no drift, rock solid precision. 650 millimeter rotary table built for heavy, simultaneous 5-axis cuts. Massive 35, 45, 45 millimeter roller packs, the biggest and toughest in the game. Pretension C2 class 45 millimeter ball screws, precision that holds, thermal controlled X-axis, fighting heat drift before it starts. Heidenhain encoders, because when you live in microns, you can't afford to miss. At the heart, dual contact Cat 40 spindle, grips like a pit bull. Best in class tool life, surface finish, feed rates, and profits. Optional HSK 63 spindle, faster, tighter, ready for extreme RPMs. 21.5 FANUC 31 IP5 touchscreen, simple, powerful, built for real machinists. Pallet cooled and automatic doors, runs lights out, crush deadlines, because good enough isn't. When precision is life and the stakes are high, there's no room for compromise. Built for America, built to win. Call 844-JMT for CNC now. Now let's make money.